The visa landscape for global talent is shifting dramatically, with Britain and the United States taking sharply different approaches. At the heart of this change are two key figures: US President Donald Trump and British Prime Minister Keir Starmer. Starting with the United States, President Trump has introduced a steep new fee for H1B visas, a move that has sent shockwaves through the tech industry. As of this Sunday, companies seeking to hire skilled foreign workers under the H1B program will face a $100,000 charge per visa. This move is widely seen as a tactic to curb immigration, but has raised serious concerns among American technology firms that rely heavily on H1B workers, particularly those from India and other technology hubs. In stark contrast, across the Atlantic, British Prime Minister Keir Starmer is exploring proposals that could fundamentally overhaul the UK's visa system for highly skilled individuals. Instead of raising fees, Starmer's government is considering abolishing visa fees altogether for top global talent. This initiative comes as part of a broader strategy to attract the world's best scientists, academics, and digital experts to the UK, leveraging the country's strong infrastructure and world-class institutions to fuel economic growth. Starmer's Global Talent Taskforce is central to this effort. Launched in mid-2024 with substantial government backing, including a £54 million Global Talent Fund, the task force aims to draw in leading researchers, entrepreneurs, engineers, and creatives. The goal is to position Britain as the premier destination for elite global talent. Interestingly, discussions about cutting visa fees in the UK were already underway before the announcement of the US's $100,000 H1B levy. However, the American decision has energized advocates within the UK government who see an opportunity to undercut the US by making the UK a more attractive destination for skilled professionals. Currently, the UK charges £766, or about $1,030, for the Global Talent Visa. The proposed zero-fee policy would specifically target applicants who have studied at the world's top 5 universities or have won prestigious awards, signaling a new level of selectivity and elite focus for this visa route. The UK government insists that this program will not impact net migration figures, indicating that they want quality over quantity. Universities in the UK play a crucial role in this strategy, using their international networks to identify and connect with leading researchers and innovators. India features prominently in these plans. British officials, including the Minister for Science, Research and Innovation, have highlighted the strong and growing relationship between UK and Indian science communities. As India climbs the global research and technology ladder, ranking in the top 5 globally for dozens of critical technologies, the UK sees Indian scientists and innovators as key contributors to its future tech and scientific landscape. Unlike the US H1B visa, which requires employer sponsorship and now imposes heavy fees, the UK's Global Talent Visa does not require a job offer, offering fast-track entry for those endorsed by approved bodies. This policy reflects a more flexible and welcoming stance aimed at attracting top-tier talent from around the world. In summary, the US under Trump is taking a restrictive, fee-heavy approach to skilled migration, aiming perhaps to prioritize domestic workers or curb immigration costs, while the UK under Starmer seeks to position itself as a global innovation hub, using incentives and reduced visa barriers to compete for the brightest minds worldwide. This transatlantic contrast highlights differing immigration philosophies and their potential impact on global talent flows in science and technology.